So when I began this journey, this YouTube journey, right? I told myself I would be consistent no matter how I'm feeling, what I'm going through, what's on my agenda, where I'm at location wise, this, that, and the third. Any excuse can come out of left field and I'll still hit out the park. Because right now, at this very moment, it's December, 2 days before Christmas. I'm feeling like absolutely trash right now. Nasally, fever, throat hurts. But I told myself when I start this journey, this YouTube journey, I'm going to be consistent. And there's going to be days, obviously, where you're not feeling motivated. There's going to be days where you don't feel like doing anything. There's going to be days where you literally want to just lay in bed, which I feel like doing right now. But I told myself I'm going to be consistent. If the last thing I do, I'm just going to be consistent at the end of the day. And in order to have this consistency, whether it be YouTube, whether it's your fitness journey, literally consistency is key. But whenever you want to be consistent, there's just going to be days where you got to push through. All you got to do is give yourself a little push and then everything else will fall in line. And when people kind of get this wrong, or people have some I don't even know the term, but where people view this in the wrong light, is they think when they're being consistent with their, for example, their fitness journey, they think they got to go 110% every single time they're at the gym. They need to go 110% every fucking time. And that's just simply not the case. In my mind, I rather long-term consistency than short-term intensity. You probably heard this term. But if you're just consistent, whether say today I'm giving 80%, right? Because I'm not feeling well. Me speaking to the camera is not my full thriving self, but we're still pushing through. So say today's a 70, 80% day. I'd rather that 70, 80% day of what I'm doing today than me going 130% yesterday and then not doing shit for the next week. I'd rather have a 70% day tomorrow. Maybe it's a 60% day the following day because I feel even worse. And then we hover back 90 to 100% range later on. People think you have to go 200 miles per hour for every single day. And then if they're not at their fully motivated, fully top self, top G, their full 100% self, if they're not feeling great, their hair doesn't look good, their beard isn't on point, their nasal passages are all good, their money is right, they're fully fed, they're fully whatever groomed. If they don't have all that set up, then they can't do what they got to do, which then leads to you not putting out content, or you not hitting the gym, or you not starting that project that you said you were going to work on because it's not the right opportunity, because you're not fully motivated and fully on your shit that day. Like today, I'm not going to lie to you, I feel like absolute ass. I'm probably going to fucking lay down after this, but I know it's ingrained in me at this point because I've been so consistent with the posting that it will feel weird if I didn't, because I've just been doing it. It's not maybe a couple months, but it's a couple months is all you need, or a couple weeks even of consistency is all you need to get in that flow where if you don't do the thing that you were consistent in, for example, if I didn't post, it would just simply feel weird. It would feel like I'm missing out on something. And that might be the gym for you. For those gym buffs, those gym rats that go to the gym. If you miss more days than expected, then it feels like you're missing. It's a part of your day, a part of your routine is not there. I mean, that's how I'm feeling with this. But those days where you don't want to do it, which you're going to have probably more times than not, probably more times than you actually feel like doing it, all you have to do is just push yourself a little bit and just remind yourself it doesn't have to be a million miles per hour at the wall, a million miles per hour. You just got to do more than zero. In my mind, I just have to do more than zero, and then you'll be all right. Because you're just making progress. It's not obviously what you want to do in that day. It's not the speed you would like to be going at, but any progress in my mind is better than not doing anything, not posting anything, not whatever, you know what I'm saying? Any sign of progress. And for me with boxing as well, same concept. There was days, bro, I'm obviously motivated, like, oh, today we're sparring, today we're doing this. I'm a little extra motivated, caffeinated, ready to go, hop in the ring, lace up, do what we gotta do. And then there's days after work where I'm just like, bro, I don't want to be here. I just worked 8 hours, had to deal with these clients that were bitching all day, had a shit ton of work. Someone called out, so I had to hop on their workload. But the days where you push yourself a little bit, just a little bit, it don't gotta be OD. When you push yourself just a little bit further, then you realize you gain so much within you just pushing yourself that little bit. You gain more when you're down, the days that you're down and you push through, than the days you're motivated. Because you want to do it anyway. So you're motivated, you're disciplined, whatever. So you're going to be high regardless. But the days that you feel like ass and you still do it anyway are the days that you gain exponentially more than you would have gained on the days that you actually wanted to do the thing. And I've realized this with anything. Even the days, bro, this is a little off topic, but there's a couple times where I recorded and I did not want to record that day at all. But I still did what I had to do and I just went off dome. And those are the best performing videos, the videos I didn't even want to actually do. But I forced myself to do it. I forced myself to be in that routine. I just pushed myself a little further. And it actually happened that the few couple videos that have a few thousand views actually were the ones that I didn't even want to do, which is the crazy part. So if you push yourself just a little bit, it'll go a long way. That's really it. I'm feeling like an ass, probably gonna take a nap right now, but just push yourself a little bit. Just remind yourself, push yourself that little extra couple steps, that little extra couple whatever, bro. I don't know what your thing is, but just push yourself a little bit further and watch, you'll gain exponentially in whatever you're trying to do. I promise you that. Peace.